Good morning, Bert from Yiannimize. As you can see, there's quite a bit going on behind me already. So it's Monday morning. One of the things that we always see in the comments, why don't you sort out the tarmac? Why don't you sort out the flooring so your photos will look better and so on and so forth. You talk, we listen, that's it, there you go. That's what these guys are here for. It's noisy, it's dusty, the rain's come down a little bit. I'm in my shorts. It is what it is, man. It's all starting from the front, coming all the way to the back area as well now. Hopefully get all those photos looking a lot better.
Well, my company's Heritage Resurfacing Ltd. We're based in Harlow in Essex, and basically we're putting a new wearing course on the car park. They're doing the preparation, which is key chasing and raising manholes and drains so that it meets the new levels for the new surface. It's pretty easy really, pretty straightforward, just levelling it up. Once the guys have all finished here doing the regulating and the process of getting it ready, then we're going to lay the wearing course stone mastic asphalt on the top.
So literally landed about 2 hours ago, come straight into work and they're laying the floor. You guys at home keep saying to us, do the floor, do the floor, do the floor. We're finally doing it.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmines with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. Ooh.
And just like that, it is complete. It looks amazing. So all brand new tarmac at the front part of my unit and the back part of my unit. It looks huge here now. It just looks so different. It looks really, really fresh. Yeah, we had loads of like damages and stuff on the floor and it didn't quite suit my brand, because obviously when the cars turn up, especially the Lambos and the Ferraris, you don't really want to be driving on this sort of surface. But this now is amazing. And in the back, we've also added like a car wash cover to wash the cars in the back and get them prepped. It is huge. Put 2 cars underneath, get the cars washed ready before they come in and get wrapped, and then get them back out to be clean before the customer collects them. I'm pleased. Obviously spent a load of money in that unit. It looks amazing. Painted all the walls, really giving it a freshen up, so the whole site looks so good now. Obviously I'm gonna have to do the old unit as well now. I've got a slight dilemma. The graffiti on the wall is part of my brand, it's part of us. It looks so fresh and white in there. Do I paint all the graffiti? I am gonna put a suspended ceiling, so I'll have all the tiles up with all the lighting to make it really bright in there. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to think about that one. This is the outside of the unit. So you've seen the front, you've seen the back, you've seen the new car wash area. It looks amazing. Comment down below. A few people have said I should put Yiannimize in the floor. I don't think I need to, because I've got obviously the unit with a big sign on it, and I'm still waiting to decide what I'm gonna do with this unit. But I'm happy, I'm over the moon. I've spent a load of money, and it looks like it's not going to end here because I've got to do that unit next. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care.